6 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's awake.
Black coffee only?
Up, back to the main trail.
At the top, we find a road and a local cheese stop. And then more ups and downs. The long descent to the valley floor begins.
I've just come out of the forest and the town should be in the distance.
A free hot meal. And then a yoga break. I was awakened at 4:30 a.m. by some early departures. At 7:30, I decided to join the late starters. Start of the Cross Valley hike. Lots of up again today.
Lunch break.
Čekaj, smo mi sad 700 odradili, je?
Da. Sad ćemo još 300.
At the pass at last. And after a little more up, we start the long descent. But many of us decided to head on to checkpoint 5 at the finish line. As it started to rain, I opted for a bush camp.
Day 5, 6:30 in the morning. Things are mighty wet. Well, I'm getting near the end.